When you talk about ecosystem ni, it's not about players je. Kita bercakap di fund, program,
pathway lah.
Tak, macam hari tu kita sembang Bang Kobau kan. Dia kata kat situ hilang deh zaman uni tu.
Betul.
Zaman uni transition
sekolah
uni
and club rugby lah.
Betul.
Yeah.
Bila program tu kita tengok macam mana kalau contohnya lah, we have an under 18 national squad. Dia orang habis SPM, dia orang masuk universiti. Even though universities ni sekarang dah banyak team dah. Kita dulu memang susah nak nampak universiti ada rugby ni. So sekarang ni mostly universities ada rugby team. Then players can go anywhere they want. But then at the end of the day, ada university yang have a bigger kata strong pool to players tu, dia boleh dapat player yang elok lah, macam UiTM Lions, PPM especially. So then macam mana kita nak maintain student tu to play as it is without injuries, you know, to create dia punya kata culture in the rugby itself. Program is important.